everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to install epoxy natural stone flooring. This type of flooring is not only beautiful but also durable and perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Make sure the area is clean, dry, and free of any debris. If the surface is uneven, use a leveling compound to smooth it out. A clean, smooth surface ensures the epoxy and stones adhere properly and create a seamless finish. Step 2. Measure and plan. Next, measure the area where you'll be installing the flooring. Plan your layout to determine how much material you'll need. This will help you avoid running out of epoxy or stones in the middle of the project. Step 3. Mix the epoxy resin. Now it's time to mix the epoxy resin. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Usually, you'll mix equal parts of resin and hardener. Stir thoroughly to ensure the mixture is well combined. Remember to wear your safety gear during this step. Step 4. Combine epoxy and stones. Once the epoxy is mixed, slowly add the natural stones to the mixture. Use a trowel or mixing paddle to combine the stones and epoxy evenly. Make sure each stone is well coated with the epoxy resin. Step 5. Apply the mixture to the surface. Apply the epoxy and stone mixture to the prepared surface. Use a trowel to spread it evenly, making sure the layer is consistent and smooth. Work in small sections to ensure the mixture doesn't set before you've spread it out. Step 6. Smooth and level the surface. After spreading the mixture, use the trowel to smooth and level the surface. Check for any low or high spots and adjust as necessary. A smooth, even surface will ensure a professional-looking finish. Step 7. Allow to cure. Once the entire